Well, something where it's here. Okay. So here we go. Here we go. Something happened with this handle. Something. I think his handle's broke. Maybe. There we go. All right. I don't care. Here we go. I'm gonna have to fix this thing. Wait, hold on. Something is going on here. Alright, so yeah, let's see here. Alright, now let's fix it. Let me pause the video camera quick. Alright, that's better. Alright, fixed it. Alright, let's put the tank lid back on. Alright, let's do this. Alright, it's all it. Alright, so it's pause the video camera.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words. Slurring on